8th as part of the team competition. C1 bronze medal at the World Cup in his career. That happened this year. Tarsen behind Jestan and Tinchol, 2 French paddlers, so he's good form coming in.
Vojtech working hard with that paddle at the front of the boat to keep it tracking. He competed in the mixed C2 with Antoni Galushkova back when that was an event at the World Championships.
Interesting big save, wasn't it? Almost had some dramas there and has missed gate 14.
Unfortunately, sometimes when the athletes go direct in the first gate of the stagger, they get a little bit later. With every stagger afterwards, it makes it harder and harder. Now, he may or may not know that he has a 50-second penalty. You can often tell with the reaction as they cross the finish line and see their score.
Has picked up some penalties along the way, ×3. So Heger hits the line, and he'll be down the bottom of the list, 9th so far of the 9 paddlers.